Hello, today I want to show you about how to repair or fix the camera on the behind iPhone. Before this iPhone is not using on the camera back, so now I repair already. So I make test on camera. Okay, now the camera is accessed. Okay, now I recommend for you with the hardware for the repair on the camera back with this iPhone. This is the iPhone 5. Okay. Okay. Now I remove the LCD. The first I need to turn off, and I remove the LCD, and I tell you about the place that we can repair on the camera back. Okay. Okay, this is the logic board that I'm repairing. I told you the IC of the camera, if you have the problem, you should remove this IC and after replace. Are you clear? This IC and replace other IC that can using. And if you replace it still cannot using, you should remove this small IC also, small IC, and connect with the consider connect. I will explain you with the USB dongle. Okay, the first IC I recommend for you replace on this IC. Okay, so I'm using on a Zillion Adver. This is the USB dongle. Sorry, I used the Zillion Adver 2.3. Okay, I check on the logic board. This is the logic board of the iPhone 5. I will tell you the place that we can be soldered. Okay, this is the IC that I want you to replace. You can remove this IC and replace other IC. And this one is the small IC. The small IC. You should connect with this pin to this pin. You know, this pin on this pin. Connect. Remove this, and after resolder. Resolder these two pins. 1, 2. Connect 2. It will be fixed on the camera back on the iPhone 5. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you want to know about the idea that you can fix on the program, please tell me. I will show you on the video and upload to YouTube.